Well, Worldwatch of 8 a.m. PST, April 10th. Tropical Cyclone 8.1 north, 150.9 east, 55 knots. I mean, this thing's striking fast. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, it's definitely off to the races. You're starting to see, wow. I mean, this thing could explode. Nice. Taking that 9 shape, you want to see if you want a seriously powerful storm. It goes for IRC. And good outflow in all quads. I mean, yeah, good shit. Expected to head northwestward. Um, yeah, near Fernuru, and right now, strengthen, going to strengthen to 80 knots by midday tomorrow, then 110 knots by midday on the 12th, midday on Saturday, then go up to 115 knots by midday on the 13th. Yeah, damn straight. Um, then expecting to start weakening afterward. Based on the models, I think it could actually strengthen afterwards. Um, up 5 days, 6 days. Yeah, there, there recurves. Um, so this is what went on. So we can show you one more thing on this system. Here's the arrow at 141 hours, and that's 899 millibars. Pretty incredible. So that's what we have on this system. Next, we're looking at MAILA, which is pretty much gone. Pretty much gone. I mean, near Indonesia, 45 knot winds. Um, what can I say? It's just uprooted itself out of existence. Here it is. And actually, Venue actually looks better. And this is a subtropical storm headed toward New Zealand. Um, let's take a look. Yeah, 30 south. I mean, for the South Pacific. Yeah, going to probably make landfall on New Zealand. And I'd argue that this is actually still a tropical cyclone. I mean, come back near the center. Absolutely incredible. Maybe. Who's to say, but yeah. Going to be hitting New Zealand in the next couple of days. But hey, I mean, I doubt they'd make a tropical cyclone again, but it looked like one. That's your World Watch.